Have you ever noticed how when you feel anxious, the whole world seems to be threatening? Or when you feel sad or bad about something, everything just feels darker than it really is. And it's almost like our emotions are painting our entire reality for us. But here's the big question. Are those feelings actually true? Or are they just passing signals? And to answer that, let's compare our emotions with something we all understand. Math. Think about 2 plus 2. It has always been 4 and will always be 4. It will never be 5. 2 plus 2 will never equal 5. That's the reality. No matter where you are, what time it is, or how you feel, the answer doesn't change. That's the essence of something that is real, unchanging, constant, and eternal. And our reality is just like that. True reality doesn't fluctuate based on your emotions or your opinions. Things that are real, things that are true, have always been there and will always be there. And I'll give you an example. The earth is round. It's not flat, it's round. And that's a fact. And that fact doesn't stop being true if you feel the world is flat today or you're having a bad day. Reality is independent of your emotional state. Now, let's bring this closer to home. Your emotions. Yes, they are powerful, but they are not the same as truth. Just because you feel fear doesn't mean danger exists. And just because you feel sadness doesn't mean that your life is ruined. And yes, emotions are real in the moment. They are real experiences, but they are temporary. You don't feel fear 24/7. You don't feel sadness every second of your life. And that's proof that emotions are chosen. They come and go depending on how you react and how you think. So if something isn't constant, it isn't absolute real. It's just like a signal, a message, a choice your mind is making. And I'll give you another example. Imagine emotions as the weather. Some days it's sunny and some days it's raining. But the sky itself, the reality behind the weather, remains constant. Even though there is rainy clouds, behind those clouds there is still a blue sky. And understanding this truly gives you power. When you realize that your emotions aren't always true, you can step back, observe them without letting them control you. And here's a simple exercise. Next time you feel sadness, pause and ask yourself, is this always true? Has it always existed? And will it always exist? The answer is usually no. And that realization gives you a choice to not be swept away by temporary feelings. Because you haven't always been sad. You haven't always felt fear. Think about it. Were you born feeling sad? Were you born feeling fear? No. You were born with no emotions. You have attracted all of that into your life in some way. So what I'm trying to say is that fear and sadness and all those negative emotions are simply not real. And this doesn't mean ignoring your emotions. It means recognizing that your feelings are part of your experience, not the ultimate truth of your life. Now, let's look at some real life examples. Work stress. A lot of you have probably been stressed at work or just stressed in general. Let's say that you feel overwhelmed by a project at work. But is it really permanent? Do you feel stressed all the time, forever, for the rest of your life because you are stressed at work in a short period? No. Tomorrow or a week from now, a month from now, the situation might change and your stress will likely fade away. And fear of failure, a lot of you have probably felt that as well. You might feel terrified before an exam, for example, or a presentation, but the fear itself isn't really reality. It's just your mind reacting to a possibility. Do you see the pattern, guys? True reality is unchanging. Temporary emotions are just passing clouds, just like the example that I gave to you before. So remember, what is real has always been there and will always be there. Just like 2 + 2, that has always been 4 and will always be 4. 2 + 2 has never equaled 5 and will never equal 5. That's a non-negotiable. So your negative emotions, they are just temporary. Remember that. You don't always feel them, and you can choose how to respond to them. And by recognizing the difference between truth and feeling, you gain clarity, freedom, and a deeper understanding of yourself and the world. So, a little action step for today is I want you to take a moment today to observe your emotions and remember what's real and what's not real. Thank you so much for watching. And with that being said, remember that all is mind.